In primetime news this evening, tragedy on Highway 2000. 5 people dead after single vehicle crash.
Heavy fines coming for truck drivers spilling cement on the roads.
And state begins to exhume the bodies of Hurricane Melissa victims. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up later in the business news, does Petrojam have enough products to secure Jamaica's energy needs? The minister responds.
And Jermaine Brown, JB, is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, thank you, Archibald. Well, we're still awaiting an official response, but we understand that the Reggae Boys interim assistant coach has been confirmed. We'll tell you who and how a bit later on.
That's very interesting. And Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Not much interesting happening in the weather report for the next few days. We expect stable conditions across most of the area, some isolated afternoon showers across inland areas. I'll break it down in the weather report and forecast.
I'll consider that good news right about now. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime and the details of the weather later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what do you make of the government's decision to lend the JPS $150 million to help restore power in the country?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.